Hi everyone! In front of you is a 2024 Ford Escape that I bought at an auction in the United States after an accident. Like most vehicles from auctions, this crossover arrived with a number of damages, so a full restoration is ahead. In this video, I want to show one of the stages of the repair – removing the driver's knee airbag. We open the driver's door and can immediately see that the airbag under the steering column has already deployed. The airbag bag has been cut and now it is simply hanging under the driver's feet. So the first step is to carefully remove this entire module so that later a new or refurbished airbag can be installed. Fortunately, I was lucky in one more way. The airbag cover also remained inside the cabin and wasn't lost anywhere. The driver's knee airbag itself is removed quite easily. It is secured with just 4 bolts located in the recess under the steering column. So I take a 10mm socket and remove these 4 bolts, after which the airbag module can be easily taken out. The bolts are removed, so now the airbag module can be carefully lowered down. But there's no need to rush here, because the airbag is still connected to an electrical connector. To remove it completely, you need to disconnect the power connector. To do this, I press the 2 clips on the sides of the connector, after which it easily comes out of its seat. Now the airbag module is completely free and can be taken out of the vehicle. After that, all that's left is either to install a new airbag or put in a restored one. In my case, I will send this airbag to a company that specializes in airbag restoration, and after that, it will be ready for installation again. That's all for now.